Ever wondered how to make quick and easy food crafts in just 5 minutes? Well, today we're going to explore 28 delightful food crafts that you can whip up in just a dash. First off, we have the fruit kebabs. Skewer your favorite fruits on a stick for a refreshing snack on a warm day. Secondly, we have the mini sandwich shapes. Use a cookie cutter to transform everyday sandwiches into fun shapes. Thirdly, we have the veggie art. Create beautiful art pieces using different shapes and colors of vegetables. Fourthly, we have the edible flower blossoms. Use fruits like strawberries and grapes to create lovely flower arrangements on a plate. Fifthly, we have the DIY granola bars. Mix oats, honey, and your favorite nuts to make these healthy snack bars. Coming in at number 6, we have the quick popsicles. Freeze your favorite juice with a stick inside to make a refreshing treat. Next up, we have the edible jewelry. String together popcorn or cereal to create a fun edible necklace. At number 8, we have the chocolate-dipped fruit. Dip strawberries or bananas in melted chocolate for a sweet treat. Ninthly, we have the mini pancake skewers. Stack mini pancakes with fruits in between for a cute breakfast idea. 10thly, we have the Rice Krispie treats. Mix marshmallows with Rice Krispies and let it set for a crunchy snack. 11thly, we have the cheese and cracker shapes. Use a cookie cutter to create fun shapes out of cheese and crackers. Coming in at number 12, we have the edible Play-Doh. Mix peanut butter, honey, and powdered milk to create a fun edible Play-Doh. 13thly, we have the apple donuts. Slice apples into rings and top with cream cheese and sprinkles to create healthy donuts. 14thly, we have the rainbow pasta. Color pasta with food coloring for a fun and vibrant meal. 15thly, we have the DIY sushi rolls. Roll rice and your favorite ingredients and seaweed for a quick sushi snack. 16thly, we have the edible slime. Mix chia seeds with juice to create a fun edible slime. At number 17, we have the banana sushi. Roll bananas and yogurt in cereal for a healthy snack. 18thly, we have the cookie cutter pizza. Use a cookie cutter to create fun shapes out of pizza dough. 19thly, we have the DIY fruit leather. Blend fruit and sugar, then bake to create a homemade fruit leather. 20thly, we have the edible paint. Mix yogurt with food coloring to create a fun edible paint. Next up, at number 21, we have the DIY gummy bears. Mix gelatin with fruit juice to create homemade gummy bears. 22ndly, we have the DIY popcorn mix. Mix popcorn with your favorite seasonings for a quick snack. 23rdly, we have the DIY ice cream sandwiches. Sandwich ice cream between 2 cookies for a quick dessert. 24thly, we have the DIY pretzel shapes. Shape pretzel dough into fun shapes before baking. 25thly, we have the DIY marshmallow shapes. Use a cookie cutter to create fun shapes out of marshmallows. At number 26, we have the DIY fruit pops. Freeze fruit juice in a mold for a refreshing treat. 27thly, we have the DIY cheese shapes. Use a cookie cutter to create fun shapes out of cheese. And finally, at number 28, we have the DIY chocolate shapes. Pour melted chocolate into a mold to create fun chocolate shapes. And there you have it, 28 quick and easy food crafts that you can make in just 5 minutes. From fruit kebabs to chocolate shapes, the possibilities are endless. So get creative and start crafting.